Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video I am going to show you how to create barcode in Microsoft Excel. Sometimes people would like to add the barcode column on their product sheet. In this situation, they can use the simple formula to create the barcode on Microsoft Excel. Let's learn how you can do this. In my Excel sheet, I would like to create the barcode based on the barcode numbers. So before create the barcode, we have to install the barcode font. So we have to open the browser and log on the dafont.com. So once log on the dafont.com, then you have to search the barcode. Here I have to download this font. So we have to click on this. It will be downloaded. So please be note, this font is only for the personal use. If you would like to use the commercial use, then you have to contact the font author. So you have to install this font, open the folder, then you have to double click on the font. It will be open the install window. You have to click to install. I already installed this font, so I just replace it. That's it. Now we have to close this window. So now we have to add the barcode formula equal to double quotes, then you have to open bracket, then again you have to add the double quotes, then you have to add the ampersand symbol, then you have to select the row, then you have to add the ampersand symbol, then you have to add the double quotes, then you have to close bracket, again I have to add the double quotes, then you have to hit enter. That's it. Now the formula has been ready for create the barcode, but you have to select the barcode font. So you have to select this and open the barcode font. That's it. Now your barcode has been created based on this number. So if you would like to increase the barcode size, you have to just select this row and increase the font size. That's it. So once it's ready, then you have to apply this formula to the all rows. You have to just drag it. That's it. Now the barcode has been created based on the barcode numbers. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.